Hello gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. So we are doing a glow in the dark orange set with orange glitter as well as orange slices. So you saw me pick up a small bead of clear acrylic. So the acrylic is going to be my base and it's going to help my orange slices to stick on the nail. Next step is to apply the glow in the dark acrylic. So you do see me pick up the bead and put the acrylic at the tip below the orange slices, and then I'm also gonna do the same thing above the orange slices, and this whole nail is gonna end up with glow in the dark. Next step, we're gonna apply glow in the dark acrylic on the whole pinky finger, and then we're gonna also go in with some glitter as well. So the glitter is just going to be on the tip because I want to make like an ombre effect. So that's why I'm keeping the glitter just at the tip. And if you do see, there are different sizes of the glitter. Some are tiny, some are a little bigger. So for our middle finger, I wasn't sure how I wanted the rest of the nail to look. So I started off with the cuticle and I applied nude acrylic, and then I moved on. So next, for the index finger, you saw I picked up a bead of clear acrylic and laid that down as my base for my orange glitter to stick into. So I did speed up the glitter application at the cuticle, but fully cover my natural nail so you couldn't see into the glitter, if that makes sense, because I wanted it very covered, very orange, so you won't see my natural nail under. Hopefully I explained that properly. So for the bottom part of the index finger, I had an idea in my head to create sort of like a color blocking situation, but with the nude and the glitter and our glow in the dark acrylic. So the idea I had in my head seemed good until I started putting it on the nail. Then I realized once the nail was fully done and dried that I didn't really like it. Out of the whole set, this is the one nail that I'm not very happy about. So going back to the middle finger, so I decided to apply glow in the dark glitter at the bottom to sort of create an ombre effect. And then I went in with some orange slices to sort of help tie the set together. So you see me putting on the orange slices there. And then I looked at the finger and I was like, no, I don't like it. So then I removed the orange slices. And then you do see me go in with some nude acrylic because I'm like, okay, hold on, let me do the cuticle. I'll come back and see what I want to do with the bottom part of the nail. I'm going to encapsulate the pinky, so you do see me pick up a bead of clear acrylic. I lay it right at the cuticle and I slowly work the bead down. I do add more acrylic if needed. So next we are going to encapsulate the index finger. I did add a orange slice off camera in the orange glow in the dark part. It looks a bit better. I don't know. I'm still not 100% happy with the nail, but we are going to keep it as it is. So back to the middle finger. So you do see me apply a little bit of clear acrylic and then pick up some glitter. So initially I thought of just putting the glitter like in the middle, and then I looked at the nail and realized, you know what, let's just make the whole bottom part of the nail glitter, but sort of have it scattered ombre type of thing. So you do see me put a bit of clear acrylic at the bottom of the nail, like in the orange part, and then you see me slowly pick up tiny bits of glitter and put them where I need them to be, that way so it sort of looks like a scattered look, so the glitter is not like on top of each other or right next to each other, so there's a bit of space, if that makes sense. So when I encapsulate glitter, I go in with very small beads of clear acrylic and just place it where I need it to be and slowly move it down. I don't move it down too much because I don't want to intentionally move my glitter. So you'll see me picking up lots of tiny beads of clear acrylic to do that. So next we're going to go in with our e-file once the nails are dry. So you do see me starting from the right side all the way to the left side, and then from the left side all the way to the right side. So I'm just going back and forth, just making sure to lift up the drill because we don't want to cause any heat spikes. And I'm doing this so that I can seal the cuticle. When it's fully sealed, you'll be able to see a very thin line between starts. So right in between my skin and the acrylic starts, there'll be a very thin line in between. That will let you know that it is fully sealed in. And we do seal in the nails so that we don't end up with any like water or any moisture going in under the nail and causing lifting. Hopefully I explained that properly. Next, we will use our e-file to smooth the surfaces of the nail. So while we're putting the acrylic, I try to be as smooth as possible, but sometimes I'm not. And because these ones have glitter, like I've added a bit more clear acrylic than I normally would, just to make sure that everything is sealed in. And now I'm just going to go in with the e-file and like smooth it out so the nail is completely smooth. So next we are going to file our sidewalls. So for this step you can either use the e-file or you can just use a regular hand file as well to do that. So I'm just going to go back and forth and just make sure that my sides are very crisp. And then I'm also going to file under the nail as well, because when we are putting the acrylic, sometimes it leaks onto the sidewalls and gets under the nail. And next I'm going to straighten the tip, so you can either use the e-file or you can use a hand file for this step as well. So next we will be cleaning the nails. After we've dusted them, we'll go in with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol and wipe the nails clean. Also remember to wipe like underneath the nail as well, because dust does get under there. So next we are going to apply top coat on all the nails. This is my favorite top coat, so it's NotPolish Glossit. And then you just see me applying it on all the nails. I really love seeing the glitter come through with the top coat. So it's so satisfying to me. just showing you how the nails look. And then we are going to cure for 60 seconds, as well as we will apply cuticle oil on all the nails. And then once they come out of the light, I show you here a video of how pretty they are. They're so cute. And now it's time to see the glow in the dark effect. So you guys, I did take a lot of pictures and a couple of videos, so I chose the ones that look the best, and those are the ones that I included here. I hope you guys like this set. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!